Quick morning question. What drives you? To say that health is wealth, and you want to be around longer for your family and also for the team, and to try and achieve as much as what life gives you, God gives you. That's what drives me.
I want to be fit. I want my body to be fit, and I want to stay healthy. That's why it drives me. Even though it's cold in the morning, I want to stand up and go straight to the gym. Because I want to be healthy.
Obviously, what drives me first is about my health and to maintain that. And second is that I'm in front of the camera, so I need to be the role model for people that watch not only what I say, but what I do. So that's what drives me.
What drives me in the morning? Being broke. I don't want to be broke. Broken mindset, broken spirit, broken physical health. Not money broke, a broken spirit. That's what drives me.
What drove you to wake up this morning and come to training?
My daughter woke me up. She was screaming in my face saying, "Take me to school," so I had to get up and take her to school.
Was that a burden to you?
It was a responsibility that I had to carry on my shoulders.
Yeah. What drives me? My health drives me. Not wanting to climb a pair of stairs and having to plant at the top of them. Not having to, walk up a hill and be dead by the time I get up the hill. Lots of things drive me, but
I have a lot of whys. My current why of my family, my partner. Waking up every morning and trying to do the best for them. That's my why.
Kia ora, Carl. How's it going? How are you feeling this morning? You can't hide. You can't hide. Carl's not here, man. We'll be back in 4 days. Alright. Okay, you've just arrived. That's her Uber back there.
I was almost not going to come to training today.
Yeah.
But then I remembered I made a promise last week in the group chat. And I said that
would be the only time you're off.
You'll take my word for it. So I have to keep my word, but I had so much work to do. But it's alright. Never negotiate with your health.
That's the one.
Morning, Ryan.
How are we feeling today? Good. Excited for the workout this morning?
Yes, looking forward to it.
Yeah. How's your diet been?
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you about that now.
Are you looking forward to the scan next week?
Yes, yeah. So
See
it's
how
okay.
next week the way the scale and the scan.
So I'm gonna be honest with the diet this week.
Last week?
Well, last week I'm not gonna tell you.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Keep a secret.
A lot of water and some monster energy. So this is good for reboost your energy. Stick with to the fantastic. I had one meal yesterday. To be honest, I didn't have breakfast.
Throwing up. So I think it's because I only had like the lunch that we had yesterday. That was like my last meal of the day.
Oh, right.
And now I'm just like, I'm dehydrated. I don't have enough food in my stomach. And
You
then
gotta eat something.
the skipping rope, just the motion of jumping up and down,
yeah.
it gave me the that dry reaching.
It was good. This is the worst, as in the most hardest workout that I've had here, but I feel good.
Which exercises work?
That one where we had to twist and like go like that and kick.
Oh,
I think I nearly broke my hip. I haven't stretched my hips properly.
what did you find from this that you need to work out on more?
Stretching.
Flexibility.
Getting a bit old. Back starting to hurt. Muscles in my thighs are hurting. But yeah, I just need to stretch more.
Do you have a goal for next week?
Yes, to go harder at every exercise. I found myself slacking on different sets, but I want to keep the pace consistent and high.
A few things to do before I came, but you know I can't get this guy here on his own. Because if I didn't come, he would struggle with the workout. Yeah, well, definitely eating. I haven't been following the diet plan for a week now, so I gotta get back on it. Fitness.
So we had a Zoom call last night about changes in him, and he was eating a hamburger.
What do you have to say for yourself?
What do you have to say for yourself?
My own flesh and blood, eh?
10 burpees right now.